Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can resize cells within your tables and pages in the plain project management app. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your table in your page here on the plain project management app. Let me go with that example page here, and here we got that example table. So if you'd like to start all over, simply enter or skip to the next line, enter the command /table and select that suggestion here. And from that menu, guys, here, let me just enter or add some content to these cells. So if you'd like to change the default size of these cells, there are two options. Option number one, you may adjust the width of the cell by hovering mouse over that vertical divider here and simply move it to the right or to the left. And you may also adjust the height of the given cell by simply pressing or clicking into it and pressing enter on your keyboard. And that's it. That's how you resize these cells. If you'd like to decrease the height, simply click into one of these lines and press backspace on your keyboard, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.